Hello and welcome dear student in the series of audio lecture series. So today we are going to solve a question of business and profession. So it is one of the very important income source of an individual, income from business and profession. So I will take one by one few questions, not today, but day by day we will solve many questions for your practice purpose. So I hope it will be helpful for you. Now today I am taking a question from income from profession, and this question is yeah. So we have question about Shri Patni, a leading tax consultant who maintain books of account on cash basis. So maintain a books of account on cash basis means he maintain receipts and payment account. He maintain his cash book. So we have a income and expenditure account to get the income over expenditure or expenditure over income. Now he furnished the following particulars of income and expenditure for the assessment year. Okay, so on the debit side we have income, on the credit side we have expenses. So this is balance of cash 12,400, and he gets income from clients 14 15, 15 16, 16 17 respectively, and present from clients and loan from clients. Okay, so these are his incomes, and his expenses are purchase of typewriter, car expenses, office expenses, salary, repair, interest on loan, income tax payment, life insurance premium, and cash balance 92,400. Okay, so my dear student, in all these expenses we have a purchase of typewriter. So this purchase of typewriter is purchase of assets. So this purchase of typewriter we will transfer into the balance sheet, not in our uh, calculation of income from profession. Okay, but we can consider the depreciation on typewriter. Now what are the adjustments given? Depreciation on car 6,000. Car is partially used for official expenses 40%, 40%, and partly for private purpose 60%. Okay, so we have to take only official expenses. We are not calculating his private or personal expenses. So we have to take only official expenses on car, which is 40%. Determine the income from business and profession head of Shri Patni for the assessment year 17-18. So my dear student, before solving this question, we should discuss on various points of this question, that it is related with the Shri Patni, and it is about for the assessment year 17-18, and his all incomes given about for 16-17. Okay, so uh, in order to get his income from business and profession, first of all we have to consider all the incomes, all the professional income, because he is tax consultant. So we will consider only his professional income, and out of those professional income we will deduct only professional expenses, not personal, only professional expenses, in order to get income from profession. Okay, I hope you got understand. Next, yeah, so this is the solution of that particular question. Computation of income from business for the assessment year 17-18. So as I said, fees from client for all 3 years, because he is receiving fees in this particular year. So all 3 years, and present from client. So present from client is also a income, on in place of fees he can accept a present. So he is getting present from client, this is also an income, but loan from client is not income. Okay, so that's why we are not considering the third one. Now the total income is 1,79,000, and we have to deduct only professional expenses. So that's why here it is writing here admissible expenses. Now one by one, depreciation or typewriter. So my dear student, this is a hidden adjustment. About depreciation, nothing is given in the question ki how much depreciation you have to calculate, but you must know about that ki typewriter will be depreciated by 15%. So you have to consider only depreciation, not complete cost of the typewriter, because it is your assets. It will be shown in the balance sheet. So we will consider only depreciation on typewriter, which is 15%. So you must know what is the percentage of depreciation. So depreciation on typewriter is 15%. Car expenses only 14% we will consider, because 40% is our official use. Office expenses we have to take because this is related with his office. Salary to staff, it is important. Salary to staff means only the salary which he is paying to his staff, not for his domestic servant or domestic purpose. Okay, so we will consider only salary to staff. Repair, it is normal expenditure. And depreciation on car, so we will charge depreciation also on car, which is 40%. Why 40%? Because 40% is official purpose, not, and 60% for private purpose. So we will take 40% of depreciation. And last, interest on loan. So you will have to assume that loan is taken for his personal official professional purpose. Therefore we are considering loan as allowed expenses in his profession. So total professional expenses is 1,15,500, and finally you have answer income from profession is 63,500. So it is very simple to understand that if you want to get any income from any professional, so you have to apply a simple formula: total professional income minus total professional expenses. Okay, by this way you can get your answer. So this is your final answer, income from profession. I hope you will understand all the things of this question. If you have any doubt, you can call me or you can message me. So I will be able to clear your all doubts. Thank you, dear students.